Hey guys, I want to talk to you about becoming a landlord and building wealth with utilizing new construction properties in the Parrish, Florida area, or anywhere really. Anywhere that you can get yourself on an affordable new construction property, even though regardless of what interest rates are, you can utilize government programs with low down payments, affordable interest rates, and you can help yourself build wealth. If you are facing a difficult financial time and you feel it's hard to get into a home right now, you could do it even with used homes, but used homes, you're going to run into more maintenance expenses. So by using FHA, USDA, conventional loan financing as primary residences, you can get low down payments as 3%, 0%, 3.5%, and you can then live in them for 1 year, buy another one, and then put tenants into and typically with these tenants, you are getting, if you're in a good school zone, that's one of the keys, is being a good school zone, so you can get good tenants who want to keep their children in that school zone. And the only reason you're going to lose those tenants is probably if they decide to buy a property. But in these situations, and you ask like, well, what if they damage the property? I don't want the headache of becoming a landlord. But if you buy a new construction home, then you typically don't have maintenance for the first 7 to 10 years because it's brand new. So you have a brand new AC, brand new roof, brand new windows, brand new plumbing, brand new everything. And then you ask for a double security deposit, and you want to go, your goal is to get a minimum of a 2-year lease, because in the state of Florida you have to have multiple year lease to get a double security deposit. So you could get a triple security deposit if you had a 3-year lease. But typically people can afford a double, and you can say that would be a first last security, but it's going to be designated as a double security, and you could use it as a last month's rent. But as the landlord, it's your option how that money gets utilized, and then that becomes security over their head, to where if they want to, if anything goes wrong or they can't pay the rent. And Florida is a landlord friendly state, to where you just need 30 days really for an eviction. You need a 3-day notice after the late payment of rent, after your grace period. 3 days after that, you give a 3-day notice, or that actually the day after that very day, if the rent is not paid, to give a 3-day notice for demand of payment, or you proceed with the eviction. So, and then there's people that serve evictions. You can do them on your own. They're pretty easy. You just go down to the courthouse, file the paperwork. But anyway, get back to the FHA. You get the low down payment, the better interest rate, and then the benefits of that is, and you can go buy another house. So like for me, I bought one property. I'm paying $850 a month. Yes, I got it in a good time when the market was on the come up from the last crash. But then I bought let's say just 2 years ago in 2020, I bought one for $265. My payment was $1,600 a month. Put tenants in there for $2,600 a month. The very next year, bought another house for $340, and then moved into that, paying $2,400 a month, but it's covered by the last tenant. So typically I'm paying for the first house still, and the tenants are paying for the new, bigger, better houses. And not only am I getting monthly cash flow, but I'm getting principal pay down every month of say like $1,000 per unit. So plus I'm getting appreciation for the area, because if you're buying in an area that is appreciating like Parrish, Florida, then lots of infrastructure is coming. There's still high demand, low supply. Well, there's lots of supply now with all the builders. That problem has been solved, but there's still high demand. You have Florida is just on a new construction boom. This is on an infrastructure boom right now. So we're kind of in a double bubble here. So if you're having trouble like affording a payment right now, if you can just skim it for a year, then you can get tenants into that property and not only get a little bit of cash flow, get the principal pay down, get the appreciation, plus you get to depreciate it on your taxes and get tax claims and tax credits every year for over a 27-year period. So you get like a 4-point system of, you know, cash flow, appreciation, principal pay down, and tax savings. So if you had, you know, over 3 or 4 years, if you bought 3 or 4 of them, then essentially you are making, you know, let's say if you're getting $1,000 in cash flow for all the properties combined, and then you're getting, say, $2,500 to $3,000 in principal pay down per month, plus you're getting the, you know, savings on the taxes, plus you're getting appreciation, and in essence, you know, just paying for the same first house that you were struggling to buy in the beginning. Now you are building yourself $4,000 a month in wealth on top of your regular income. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and hope that helped. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. My phone number is 941-879-4730. Don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe button, check out my community videos, and stay in tune, and I'll have plenty of educational and new construction tours coming your way with a lot of actual features of the area as well. Manatee County. I'm your Manatee County realtor, Robert Lunt. I'm also an investor, and I deal with new construction. I've done a lot of flips. I'm a landlord, and I've bought in a lot of new construction as well. And yeah, so anything that I can help you guys with, just let me know in the comments below, like I said, or call or text me at 941-879-4730. Robert Lunt. Thank you very much. Have a great day.